Here are 12 free crochet bag patterns to inspire your next project. Save your favorites by number. First up is the Boho Crochet Sling Bag by Renaud. This hands-free design combines a roomy main compartment with a practical front pocket, so everyday essentials stay close by. The sturdy body, adjustable strap, and colorful woven-style details give it a relaxed look that still feels polished enough for errands, travel, or a casual day out. For a strong finish, choose firm cotton yarn and enjoy the colorwork details on the strap. The Lille cabled shoulder bag brings beautiful cable texture to a classic everyday shape. Designed by Renaud, it has a structured look and a comfortable shoulder strap, making it a lovely choice when you want a handmade bag that feels a little more elevated. The soft dimensional stitches are the real star of this free pattern. Use a firm yarn so those cables stay crisp and the bag keeps its polished shape. Jess Coppom's Crochet Origami Tote is a clever project for anyone who loves a bag with an unexpected construction. The finished tote has a generous, useful shape and a relaxed market bag feel, yet the construction creates visual interest from every angle. It is a great pick for carrying flowers, yarn, groceries, or a few everyday essentials. Choose sturdy cotton yarn, and the finished tote will hold its shape beautifully through everyday use. The Summer House Crossbody Bag by Briana is a compact, stylish option for days when you only need the essentials. Its textured crochet fabric and slim crossbody silhouette make it easy to wear while keeping your hands free. This is the kind of practical little bag that can work with casual outfits all summer long. A firm cotton or cotton blend will help the compact bag keep its tidy shape. Tony Lipsy's Carter Granny Bag is a fresh take on the timeless granny-inspired crochet look. It combines a bold geometric design with a roomy tote shape, so it makes a statement without losing everyday usefulness. If you enjoy colorful stitch patterns and bags that show off your handmade work, this free pattern is a standout. It is also a lovely stash buster when you want to combine colors with confidence. This textured star stitch origami bag by Kinga Erdem turns one crocheted rectangle into a modern shoulder bag through a clever fold and seam construction. The raised star stitch gives the finished fabric impressive depth, while the origami shape creates clean diagonal lines. It is a satisfying project for crocheters who want texture and unusual construction in one design. A cord-style yarn gives it structure, making the folded shape look especially clean and sculptural. Joanne Lowe's Chic Slant Sling. Crossbody is a sleek crochet bag with strong texture and a modern angled shape. The compact silhouette is ideal for carrying just the essentials, and the detailed stitch work gives the bag a refined handmade finish. It is a great choice if you want a crossbody project that feels both practical and fashionable. Try it in a neutral shade for everyday wear, or choose bold color for more impact. The Farmer's Market Filet Bag, designed by Robin Chichula for Marley Bird, uses filet crochet to create an airy tote with a graphic, structured look. Its generous size and sturdy integrated handles make it especially useful for groceries, flowers, or a yarn haul. This free pattern is a fun way to explore a classic crochet technique in a very modern bag. The open fabric looks beautiful over a contrasting lining or the colors of whatever you carry. Brittany's Fall Bookshop Market Bag has a cozy, bookish feel that makes it perfect for autumn outings and everyday carrying. The open, textured crochet fabric gives the bag plenty of character, while its roomy shape leaves space for a current read, small purchases, or crochet supplies. It is a warm and practical addition to any handmade bag collection. The long straps make it easy to wear over a coat or carry on a relaxed weekend outing. Jess Coppom's Harvest Market Tote is an expandable market bag that is both lightweight and useful. The airy Solomon's knot stitch creates a beautiful open texture, while the generous design is ready for groceries, produce, or a beach day throw-in. This is a wonderful free pattern for crocheters who want a reusable tote with plenty of visual interest. It folds down small between trips, making it an especially handy reusable bag to keep nearby. The Fresh Market Tote by Tony Lipsy pairs a simple market bag shape with bright granny stitch charm. Its comfortable handles and open flexible body make it a cheerful choice for farmers' market trips or everyday errands. If you are looking for a project that is practical, colorful, and easy to style, this free crochet tote is a lovely option. Pick 2 cheerful shades and let the granny texture become the focal point of your market look. Lindsay's color dipped market bag gives a classic reusable tote a playful color-blocked twist. The open market bag construction keeps it light and flexible, while the contrasting lower section adds a fun handmade detail. It is an approachable, useful project for carrying groceries, yarn, or everyday items, and a great way to experiment with color in your crochet. This is also an ideal stash buster for combining two colors you have been saving. Which one would you make first? Find every numbered pattern link in the description and follow for more crochet inspiration.